in the lower 60s. Southeast winds. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 322, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following areas: in South Dakota: Bennett, Butte, Custer, Fall River, Hawken, Harding, Jackson, Jones, Lawrence, Meade, Oglala Lakota, Pennington, Perkins, and Ziebach. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOW Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.